E22. Hello everyone, we are Team E22. Hello everyone, we are Team E22, also called the Warriors.
And we're also known as the Flippers because we keep on flipping the idea now and then.
Please fasten your seatbelts.
And enjoy our learning journey video. It's actually very shit, by the way.
Hi, my name is Maz Naved and I'm a student of Masters of Business Information Systems. Throughout the project, I had been working on many various different things such as the documentation of all the reports, and apart from that, I had been working on the interfaces of the website as well, interface of the mobile app as well, just to highlight a few of those. That was a few chunk of what I actually did.
Sandy, and I'm a Master of Data Science student. And basically my role for the project is data analysis, data visualization, and etc. Everything related to data science. However, after I finish the project, I think my role is everything for the project. Oh my god.
Hi guys, my name is Mike and my major is information technology. I am the main application developer in our group. So my primary task is design a mobile application that helps Mona students to break the barrier of working. I also help my teammates to write documentation of our mobile app and test their website and try to fix all those bugs.
Hi guys, I'm Manoj. I'm doing Masters in Business Information Systems at Monash. For the project I was working on, I worked as a business analyst. So basically when I was put into the project, the work involved understanding the problem. And once we understood, we interacted with a lot of users and we understood what the requirements are. So based on the requirements, we started working on the prototypes, and I as a business analyst helped my team in building the prototype. I worked on the website, like I helped my team in identifying good templates for the website, and we created a good website and a mobile application based on the user requirement. And I guess that was a challenging one, but still we were able to achieve it.
Well, I'm just joking about that. There were many things which I learned from IE. That was how do we work in a team, since I don't have that much of experience of how the environment is in a working culture. So I got to know how this all works. I learned how to work in a team. I learned how agile methodology works, because I had only read about it and learned about it and gave exams for it, but now we practically implemented all this and found out how it goes. One more thing which I learned was delivering stuff in very short amount of time, getting to know stuff at the last amount of time, because when you work in a team, you work with people who are from many different cultures, diverse cultures, and they have different working patterns, different working ways. So you get to learn a lot about different people, and most importantly, how you can collaboratively work with these people, and in order to achieve a certain type of goal which you're trying to achieve.
So basically for my major job, I've learned how to do the Tableau server, how to deploy the website server, and how to find the data sets easily and quickly. So basically that is not the main thing I've learned. For the main part I've learned from IE is how to do the documentation stuff, like everyday, like formatting, doing different kind of documentation, how to format the table of content, etc. And second is I've learned how to balance my work and job. It feels like I'm almost losing my job in next month, because like every day I'm going to leave early before the working hour, basically for the project team meeting. So furthermore, I think I've learned how to write a fine review. Like basically 3 of us, me, Mars and Manoj, all got a fund during this semester. So we already donated $2,000 for Victoria government.
Well, I think I learned a lot of things in the IE project development, like Android programming skill, like team management skill, like cross-cultural communication skill. But I think two most important things I have learned in the IE project is, the first is ideation. It is very important. Our group spent almost 5 weeks at the beginning because our idea as a force is not solid enough. So we had to change our topic again and again in order to make a good idea. Another thing is the time management skill. One of the biggest issues our group have faced is at the end of the iteration 3, we cannot submit our product on time. This is because I didn't allocate our tasks correctly. I spent too much time on those less important things instead of developing the main functions.
There are a lot of things I learned in IE. So basically, when I was put into the project, I was in a team where we are all from different multicultural backgrounds. So it was a quite big challenge because we need to coordinate ourselves. We need to effectively communicate with each other. We need to understand the task, and we should basically understand the whole team's mentality and go with it. That's how it works. And throughout the journey, there were a lot of things that I faced. There were times that we failed, and there were times that we really performed well, and we were able to achieve the ultimate things. So basically, it was a up and down journey throughout, and I basically enjoyed it because I worked in a team, and we were able to work and put together on what we decided, and ultimately I think we were able to achieve few things. And yeah, it's I guess there are a lot of things I learned, and I guess it would help me throughout my career, and even when I started working in an industry, I guess I would be able to apply those skills and perform better.
10 on 10. My team was amazing. I was lucky enough to have a team like this. We never argued, we never had fights, we never had to use an I statement in the whole of the 12 weeks. No matter, we flipped 6 times with the idea, 5 times, but we never argued on anything. We were always on the top of our game, we were always on the same page. I'll be very honest, I am fortunate enough to have an excellent data scientist in my team. She is always, working really hard, and she is always, trying to boost us up by saying we're going to win this, and we're almost there. Even though after 6 weeks, we just started with the idea. Talking about the MIT person, Mike, he is one hardworking guy, and he has been developing along with the idea. As the idea changes, his way of working also changes, and throughout those 12 weeks I have seen how he was an introvert first, and at the end, right now, he's a completely different person. He didn't used to speak at all, and now he's he just can't stop talking. Manoj is a very hardworking guy as well. He has a job along with it as well, and he's trying to pull this off along with us as well. He's trying to bear us as well. He has unique presentation skills. He has a different perspective about things, and a logical perspective. Whatever we do, whatever we ask, he needs reasons for it. He supports his claim with reasons. So as far as the team is concerned, I am lucky enough to have a team like this, without any fights, without any and we pulled it off at the end. So how are your team members?
Okay, good team members. Like Mars, a good team member really like Iris people, really productive, everything we'll do in advance and never leave the things to the end. So for Mike, a traditional Chinese shy young boy and a chocolate lover, contributing the most programming part for our project. So he is also a good team member to work with. However, I think he needs some extra time to sleep, I think. So for Manoj, he is a good team member to talk to. Everything what we said and what our mentors' suggestions, he will put his contribution to the project, definitely. So I feel really lucky to work with them.
Well, talking about my team, At first, I want to say that I have a really good team. Even though we come from different country, we have different skill, we use different language, but we all try our best on this project. Like Manoj said, they did really well in the website design and documentation, and Sandy, she able to find a lot of different data sources and make some analysis. They really help me a lot when I do the application design. I think without them, I can't finish this project. Yeah.
Okay, so what do I think about my team? So I think I found a good team. When I started working on the project, we were able to understand each other, and everyone were able to share what they think, and everyone were able to value the other people's ideas, and I think that's the main reason for us to move throughout the project, and we had a lot of up and downs, and as a team we were able to work together. And talking about Mike, I think he needs a lot of rest. He worked so hard for this project, and he was able to achieve what we actually asked him to do. Though we were late, but ultimately we were able to get the result what we got. And even talking about Sandy and Mars, they helped me a lot, and we were able to work on the website, and we were able to leave Mike out. We gave him freedom to work on mobile application, and as a team we were able to succeed, and I guess it worked good.